Good afternoon all. I think yesterday we have discussed some extra question of chapter 4. Today we will discuss the case study of this chapter, right? So our first case study is any equation of the form ax plus by plus c. Ax plus by plus c, we all know that is the linear equation in two variables. That is the standard form of this equation, right? Where a, b and c are the real numbers. A, b, c can be real number and a and b are not both 0. If a and b will be 0, then it will not become the linear equation in two variables, right? Because our standard form is ax plus by, x and y should be there. So a and b should be non-zero here, is known as the linear equation in two variables. This is also the definition of this linear equation, right? So this will be the case study of this, and now we will discuss the questions. One day Ram and Ankur, case study is this. One day Ram and Ankur go to the stationery shop to purchase some stationery. Shopkeeper tells them that the cost of a notebook is 3 times the cost of a pen, right? Cost of a notebook is 3 times the cost of a pen. Suppose pen is of 10 rupees. So notebook cost is of 30 rupees because 3 times the cost of a pen. Cost of notebook is 3 times the cost of a pen. Using the above information given above, answer the following questions. We have to tell the answer that is given questions. Okay? If the cost of a notebook is rupees X, this is given, notebook cost is X. Cost of notebook is equal to rupees X and cost of pen is equal to rupees Y, right? Then write the linear equation in two variable to represent the given situation. What is situation given? The cost of notebook is 3 times the cost of a pen. So what is the cost of notebook? X is equal to 3 times the cost of pen. So answer is, means equation will be X equal to 3y, right? This is the equation. Second, if the cost of one notebook is rupees 15, find the cost of one pen. If one notebook cost is rupees 15, means X is equal to 15, we have to find the cost of a pen. Put in the place of X 15, you will get Y value. 3 will come down, so what will come? 15 by 3 is equal to Y. 3 5s are 15, 5 is equal to Y. Okay, Y value is 5, means if cost of pen is, notebook cost is rupees 15, then pen cost is rupees 5, right? Because it is the 3 times of the pen. Notebook cost is 3 times the pen. If notebook cost is 15, then definitely pen cost is rupees 5. 5 3s are 15, right? Sorry. Find two solutions of the linear equation this. Because we have find X is equal to 3y. Now what you will do, take Y one side and X on one side. This 3 will go the denominator of X, right? We can write like this. Now what we will do, two solutions we have to find. Put any two value here, you will get two solutions. If X put 0, means pen cost is 0, then Y is also 0, notebook cost is also 0. If pen cost is 3, then, notebook cost is 3, then pen cost is 1, because 3 by 3, 1 will come. If notebook cost is rupees 6, then pen cost is rupees 2. Like this, you can find infinite many solutions, right? But it is given to you that only two solutions you have to find. That we have found now, right? Next, if X is equal to -1 and Y is equal to 3 is a solution of this equation, then find the value of K. Equation is given 4x plus 2y minus k equal to 0. Put in the place of x minus 1 and in the place of y 3. These two are the solution of this equation, means this solution will satisfy this equation because these are the solution, right? So it will be equal minus 4 plus 6 minus k equal to 0. 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus k equal to 0. K will go on this side and k value equal to 2. Right? I hope this question understand to all the students. Now we will go to the next case study. During COVID pandemic, doctors and nurses worked the day, full day they were working and night to save lives, right? Day and night, full time they worked. The management of the hospital decided to make a rule regarding the payment to be made to the doctors for their hard work, right? The rule is as follows. What rules they have followed? For first 5 hours, the doctor get rupees 10,000. For first 5 hours, they will get 10,000 rupees, right? And for every extra work, he or she will get 500 rupees for extra. Suppose after 5 hours, 1 more hours they will do, then 10,000 plus 500 they will get, right? 10,000 they will get definitely for first 5 hours. After that, if they will do the extra work for means after 5 hours they will get extra, then they will get 500 more for per hour, right? If a doctor work for X hours and total amount paid to the doctor one day is rupees Y, then based on the above information, answer the following questions. Find the linear equation formed by the above situation. What is situation given? Y is the total work. That is 1 day. That will be equal to 10,000 for 5 hours. Means 10,000 they will get always, plus total hours they are taking X, है ना? And 5 hours if we will subtract, then left hours they are getting, है ना? Means X minus 5 they will get, and how much money they will get? Rest hours 500. So we will multiply this by 500. So what you will get? Y is equal to 10,000 plus 500x minus 2,500, right? Because 500 will multiply to both. Now y is equal to 10,000 minus 2,500, 7,500 plus 500x. This is the linear equation formed by the above situation, right? Next, find the standard form of this linear equation. What is the standard form of linear equation? That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is the standard equation, है ना? So our equation is y is equal to 7,500 plus 500x. Y is equal to 7,500 plus 500x, right? So we will write in this form. So how we will write? 500x minus y will come in this side, that is negative, है ना? Minus y plus 7,500 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of this linear equation. This is the standard form. Now we have compared this with it, then it will become the standard form of the linear equation, right? Next, Kim, what is the number of solution of the linear equation formed? Any linear equation, yesterday also I told how many number of solution you will get from a linear equation? How many solution you will get from a equation? Infinite many solution. Infinite many solutions you will get from the linear equation, right? Next, if a doctor work for 8 hours, then find the amount paid by the doctor. Means if doctor will work for 8 hours, 8 hours means in the place of x, we will put 8, right? So what you will get, y is equal to, here you will put 8, y is equal to 7500 plus 500 into x is 8. Not x is 3, right? X minus 8. So sorry. What will left here? We will put in this side now. X minus 5 into 500, because in the place of x we will put total 8 hours. If any doctor will do 5 hours, they will get 10,000 plus rest how much he will get, 3 because 8 minus 5 3 into 500 1500. So 10,000 plus 1500, what will get, 10,000 1500, right? Means 11,500. Directly you will put here also, both are correct. You can put here and you can put here also, no problem. So 7,500 plus 500 into 8, right? $4,000, but you will get 11,500. They will get 11,500 rupees. You can put here also, because we have first find the solution full, then we will get a linear equation, है ना? Directly you can put 8 here. Otherwise you will get, directly you will put here in the place of x 8. Otherwise you will put here also 8 minus 5, 3 will come. Okay, here and here, because we have solved this equation, then we will get this equation. That's why we can put this x8 here also. Then you will get 11,500 rupees. So total what the doctor got after doing 8 hours, 11,500 rupees. I hope this question you all understand. Now next, AB International School has organized a racing event for the student of class 9. Okay, they have organized racing events for 9th class. The students run for a distance of x meters. Ronak is the winner of the event. He finished the race in 2 minutes. If his speed is represented by y meter per minute, then answer the following questions. Okay? Means speed is y and distance is x. Time is given 2 minutes, right? Distance is x, speed is y. So equation will be y, speed is y na, x is equal to, because distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is x, speed is y given. So y, time is 2 minutes. So equation is x is equal to 2y. This is our linear equation. Represent this distance covered from the linear equation using the formula distance is equal to speed into time. So it will become x is equal to 2y, because distance is x, speed is y given y, time is given 2 minutes, right? So x is equal to 2y. This is our linear equation. Write this equation in the standard form. How we will write? X minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0, because our standard form of the equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So that's why we will write in this form. So this is our standard form now. Find 3 solution of the linear equation. We have to find the 3 solution for this equation. X is equal to 2y, means 2 will come down, then y is equal to x by 2, right? Now put the value of x and you will get the value of y. X is 2, y is 1, x is 4, y is 2, x is 6, y is 3. I am putting means table of 2, because downside in denominator 2 is there, hai na? So that's why I am putting the multiple of 2 here, because if you will put 2, speed is 2 km per hour or 2, what is the speed? Meter per minute. If speed is meter per minute, then 2 by 2 1, distance is 1, right? If speed is 4, then distance is 2. If speed is 6, then distance is 3. Understand? Next, if the speed is 300 meter per minute, then find the distance covered. So what we will do, in the place of x, we will put 300, then our equation is x is equal to 2y and y is the speed, है ना? So in the place of y, we will put 300 meter, x is equal to 2 into 300. What will get? 600 meter per minute. So what we have to find? Distance, है ना? Distance covered in meter. So 600 meter will be the distance covered by Ronak, right? So I hope this case study is very easy. So you can do this case study very easily. I think this is clear to all of the students, right? So today these 3 case study we have completed, and I hope so all case study you have understand. So now our lecture is finished. So thank you very much.